The triple top is a bearish reversal pattern that indicates a potential trend reversal from an uptrend to a downtrend. The price rises to a peak and then declines. The price rises again to roughly the same level as the first peak and then declines. The price rises one more time to a similar level as the first two peaks and then declines once again. This forms the three peaks, or tops. The lows between the peaks are connected by a horizontal or slightly sloping trend line, known as the neckline. The pattern is confirmed when the price breaks below the neckline, suggesting a potential reversal to a downtrend. The triple top pattern suggests that the uptrend is losing momentum and sellers are gaining control. Once the neckline is broken, it's a signal that the price might continue to fall.